Hello everyone, today I will show you how to add red color strikeout or cross out your text in your PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option in this menu bar, and here you will find this annotation down arrow. Click here, and this is strikeout option. Now drag your mouse cursor and select your text where you want to apply strikeout. This is yellow color strikeout happening here, and this right side bar top corner, here you will find this properties option. Click here, and this is red color, select this one, and also you can increase decrease this thickness strikeout and its opacity. And if you did not find here this red color option, click any color and go this custom color option and select here color pen or more color. Here also another red color, again go this more color option, and this is define custom color, and choose your red color and this one, and see this. Again I will apply here this red color, apply this one, and this color opacity you can change, this one opacity you can change, and see this. In this way you can apply red color strikeout on your text. Yeah, and finally select this file option, save or save as a PDF file. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share and comment.